Welcome back, guys. Automotive Inc. Today I'm going to show you how to shut off those pesky little alerts. Now, those are the alerts that are going to pop up on your screen through navigation, or if you have your maps on one screen. I had a question the other day about it. Some people get annoyed by it. I like it. I find it fairly accurate, keeping in mind they're getting their reports one way or another, whether through Google or whatnot. So let's show you how to shut it off. So first things first, pull up your navigation screen. Use your little icon down there. Hit your three bars. And then you're going to go into here. You'll see all your icons pop up. Hit settings, and then you're going to think it might be under show because it's going to show you those alerts, and it can be anything from a traffic jam or accident or anything that's pop up, the red bar that comes across the screen. It'll eventually go away once you acknowledge it. But anyway, go into sound and alerts, and here's where you can shut off anything. So you can go down here and actually do sound, verbal, or visual, or both. And here's where you can basically toggle off anything. So traffic jam ahead, safety warnings, read out loud, of course, if you want to go and change that type of setting. But you can go in and turn off any of these settings. Now keep in mind, if you have an up trim one with settings and preferences, you may need to hit and hold your set button. I haven't played with that. This trim level does not have memory settings, but it will save them for vehicle preferences alone, so just keep that in mind. But again, that's how you're going to toggle those type of things off if you don't like them. Now, if you don't like them sometimes and you do others, you're going to have to go back into these exact same steps to turn them back on. Unless you get a new stereo, it will reset. For some reason you have maintenance on or reset. Sometimes when they do over-the-air updates, I've experienced in the past, sometimes these settings will come back on just because it's reverted to that. But you can always go in this way, shut them off, turn them on, whatever floats your boat. As always, guys, appreciate you guys being here. I'll catch you on the next one.